Object-oriented programming, OP, is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which can contain data and code that operates on that data. Java is an object-oriented programming language and supports the concepts of OOP like inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. Inheritance allows you to create new classes that are built upon existing classes. The new classes inherit all the fields and methods of the existing class and can add new fields and methods or override existing ones. This allows you to reuse code and create a hierarchy of classes. Encapsulation is a mechanism of hiding the internal details of an object and exposing only the necessary information to the outside world. This helps to reduce coupling between objects and increases the maintainability of the code. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details and showing only the essential features of an object. In Java, this is achieved through abstract classes and interfaces. Polymorphism allows you to write code that can work with objects of different classes through a common interface.